Today I'm going to show you how to do a provisional cast on. You'll need a crochet hook, a knitting needle, and waste yarn in a contrasting color to your working yarn. First, we're going to create a slip knot with our waste yarn and slip it onto our crochet hook. And you don't need it to be too tight. Next, we're going to get our knitting needle, hold it in our left hand, and I normally hold my working yarn in my left hand, so I'm going to secure my tail with the right hand and position the working yarn in my left hand the way I normally would to knit. But if you use your left hand, you're always welcome to switch them around. Now, you're going to cross your crochet hook on top of the knitting needle with your working yarn behind the needle. Move the working yarn around the back of the needle counterclockwise over to the hook and use the hook to grab the yarn and pull it through the slip knot that's already on your hook. Just like this. You've now casted on one whole stitch. From here, you want to make sure to move your working yarn to the back of the knitting needle, and you're simply going to repeat this process again. There's another stitch. Move our yarn, hook it with our crochet hook, pull it through, move it again. As you can see, I've got a couple of little stitches here. Those are my provisional cast on stitches. And then from here, you just continue this process until you've cast on however many you need for your project. Once you've cast on enough stitches, you can simply chain a few extra off of your knitting needle so that they're not counted as stitches there. This way, by the time you're ready to remove your provisional cast on, which is normally what happens with these cast ons, you can simply pull on this thread. Say I cut it here, pull this, and it will simply unzip the entire cast on from your work. And it's really, really handy if you like to use them for double brims or perhaps some other type of hem or brim that you didn't include originally. Details on the yarn and needles featured here are in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy knitting!